Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sir Mahdi. Hope you all are fine. Today we will solve another math and also this will be very interesting and also looks like a tricky. Okay, so don't delay, let's start. First of all, what will we do? We will read a question. Okay, we can see this is a question and this is a problem. Are you getting afraid to see this or are you scared? No, this is very simple question. Can be looks like here. Let's read that. K minus y into k minus b into k minus c, and then going and k minus y into k minus z to the power this the whole equation then to the power p minus q again divided by a into b into c into this is going on like x into y into z, and this is also to the power q minus p. I think you faint if you don't know the logic to solve this, so you will feel so hard, but I trust me, this is very easy problem. This is just look at the first line here. K minus y, k minus b, k minus c, and this is going on like k minus d, k minus e, k minus f. So this is just a variable. Okay, this k, a, b, c, x, y, z. These are the variable. Of course, it has a value, but will you put the value for a equals to 1, for b equals to 2? No. If you put the value, so then if you want to solve instance, you will have so many times. I mean, you will need so many times to solve this. I think you need almost I think over of 1 hour or 2 hours to solve only one math. So don't do that. You have to apply the logic how to solve this. So for this question, we can solve like this, that we can see this is going on. Just imagine in your mind, just guess in your mind, that is this the sequence is going on, but what are these in this place here? These are empty. I mean, so what are those? So if you want to think here, like what is going on, k minus 3, sorry, k minus c, and then there will be k minus d, okay, not b, d, and then k minus e. In this way it will go on. Okay, and each of the time e, f, g, h, I, j, k. Here is the point. After that it will go e, f, g, h, I, j. Like here, k minus j, and then here will be k minus k. What does this mean? What does this mean actually? Can you tell me? K minus k. Suppose k is 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So the value of this will be, I mean, this value is 0. So if there is a 0 in a multiply in a sequence which where everything's are multiplying, so or multiple series, so here you can see if there is 1 is 0 here, if 1 is 0, so when you will multiply everything's with 0, what will the result? The result is 0. So and if you make the power of 0 like 0 to the power 1 million, what will be that? That is still 0. So in that place you can say this is our, oh no, this like what is 0. Okay, this is 0. So and then do you need to know what is the value of this? What is called this? This is called numerator and this is called denominator. So your numerator is 0. So do you need to know what is the value of our denominator? No, because just I'm giving an example. Look at here. I'm giving an example here. Like your numerator is 0 and your just suppose the value of this is 10. Okay, so just write it here, 10. If you divide it, what will you get? You will get 0, because if in any fraction, if you have the 0 on the as a numerator, and if there any number, even 1 2 over of, even minus, negative, even over of 1 million, below, anything can be, but still the result will be 0. Okay, so because you can test, let's verify. How to verify? 10. Let's verify. What will be this? Is it, will it, can you divide 10 with 0? No. So that's why you have to place your 0, then can be point. Okay, but what is your integer? Your integer is your integer is 0. Okay, so that's why you can say in any types of integer or in any types of fraction, if you can see the numerator is 0, so if anything can be the denominator, but the whole result is 0. Okay, so what you can say now, you can say our answer is 0, and you can say right in, this is our answer. So you can see here is a question mark. Okay, so what you can write here, our question mark, sorry, this is our 0. Okay, so finally we got the value of the whole equation. Very large looks like, but what is the result? The result is only 0. Okay, so this was a very easy problem. Just you have to know the formula, the logic. Okay, not, if you don't be afraid to see any problem. If you get afraid, if you are scared to see any types of problem, finally you failed. Just imagine you failed. If you face hard, okay, just if you look at the problem, if you can see that is hard, can be, so you will face, no, this is not hard, this will be easy. Just you have to find what are those inside of the math, what is saying the problem, then you will find that logic, then you can solve that very easily. So in the same way, you can solve these types of math very easily. So I think, yeah, I think if there is one in number, so I think you solve that very easily. But this was just a variables. But don't be afraid. Okay, so that's all for today, and I think you all enjoyed this, and in the next time you won't feel harder for these problems. So I hope you all understood this very much, and if you really have more questions about this problem, so let me know in the comment box. I'm ready to reply you. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till that, take care of yourself and focus on the problem solving and take preparation for BdMO. So that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.